Welcome to South Asia. In last tutorial we created registration form. Today I will show you how to log in using PHP, MySQL and HTML. So let's start. I will create index file. HTML code. In body section I will create form. Method will be post. This form includes two fields and a button. I will use break tag to break line. Input type text, name, username, password, type password, and button type will be submit, name will be log in. This button will submit values. Now I will write PHP code. I will start with session start function. This function is used to keep user logged in. After this, let's connect database. I will assign values to variables like server name, is localhost, username of database is root, password is empty, and at the last database name. Database name is employee data. Variable connect, I will use mysql connect function to connect a database. Server name, connect. Now I will get credentials from user form. I will use isSet function. Post I will use this to make sure login button is clicked, and here inside is set function I will get username and password. Host username and password. After this, let's write SQL query to select data. Select from users where username equals variable username and password equals variable password. The reason we use select query here is to check credentials we provide in form match the credentials in database. Result variable mysql query to perform above select query. Connect SQL. And at the end I will use if condition to check if credentials match. If credentials match, it will redirect to next page, else it will show error. Here mysql num function get the number of rows in result set. I will use global variable session username equals to variables user name. If above condition is true, I will redirect to next page. Location home page, home.txt. Else it will show error. Echo invalid password and username. And as usual, close database connection. mysql close connection. I will create a home page where we will redirect our page. It will be empty page just to redirect. So let's check. Login form. You can see it's working fine and redirecting page to next. That's it from today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.